Friday the 20th of March 2026. You're watching Budgies and Daughters. If you'd like to subscribe, very busy nursery. Birds are in good steady. Don't twiddle down over there. Right. Tweedledee. Hello, you. Yeah, my little fledgling now. Venturing out. Mom's not happy. We're going to get our baby. Now we have the birds swinging on the... We got Blueberry and Tweedledum, who's Tweedledum nearest me, the little one. And then we have Tweedledee on the makeshift swing. They love it. And Blueberry is interested in balancing on the end of the millet. And then we have, there's our Heath, who's having a go as well. They're enjoying gymnastics. Right, look at you. Yeah. Here's Tweedledum. Look at you, darling. Yes, hello. Happy Friday. Yeah, he's having a good time. I think I might call you Kale. Hello, darling. Hello, Kale. Yeah. You're going to be flying soon. Whee! Who's that? Tweedledum. This is Tweedledee at the top. There's Tweedledum. And there's V. Well, she's back there, V. Blue and white. Ooh. And then we have our little Kale, who's being right naughty. Okay, so we can see we have our eyes open. So you're a week old, and there's your little ear. Where's your little ear going? There's V. Hello, baby. Your sibling is the one who flew off. Huh? I hope your sibling's still okay. And there's our Tweedledum. Hello, baby. You're so gorgeous. It's Saturday, the 21st of March. Hello, baby. Don't worry. When you come here, baby, you're trying to get through my. I've got to put my fingers. Yes, look at our little baby. Yes. Okay, be very gentle. Our little fledgling. No. I love it. What are you doing down there? Gently, gently, gently. Okay. Here we go. Go on. It's alright, mummy. It's okay, Mum. Here's your baby coming here. Here you go, Nicky. Here's your baby. Here you go. Here's your baby. Here you go. Here's your baby. Look at your baby. Here's your baby. Come on. Here you go. Yeah, here you go, Nicky. Okay, here's your baby. Okay. Here, take your baby. Here you go. Oh. Here we go. Oh, yes. Good, mommy. Hold on. There we go, mama. There we go. Good girl. There we go. Nice cleanness. Oh, that was so sweet. Was that nice, my little darling? And you, Mr. Budgie. Kale. Hello, you are very gentle with the baby. Yes, you know to be gentle. You're not gentle with me, though. You're nipping. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Hello. Gorgeous. Our latest fledgling. 21st of March, 2026. Look at you, Thumper. And Flair's baby. Right? Yes, you are. Okay. I'll let you do that a little bit longer, but it hurts, and I can't let you do it. So that's our little Kale, and there's Dad Flair feeding, looking after his little Bubba. Good boy. There we go. Oh, look at you. Hello, Kale. Well done, Kale. Hello, baby. Well done. I think that's fudge. You're gonna, no, I don't know if it is fudge. No, you're not breaking out. No. You're going to stay there. You're going to stay in there for the night and relax. You've got food, you've got water, you've got spinach. I know you're not happy, but you need to get that egg out. Here's our gorgeous birds ready, settled for the night. And our blueberry is right there in the corner. And here's our kale, our latest fledgling. Yeah. And that looks like Tweedledee. And there's our Herbie up there. And that's Squawk. And then we have our Tweedledum. Look at you, baby. One leg. Very relaxed, aren't you, huh?